Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your VIVO V60E without password. Alright, but before we begin, let's discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using recovery mode. And, factory reset will cause this, that all of our data will be erased from our device. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, our phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we have forgot it. But we have the second option, and it's logging into the Google account into which we are logged in on our Vivo before the reset. If you also don't remember it, you might have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. On our channel there are videos how to perform that. Okay, if you want to go forward with me, you need to follow my steps. You can see that my device is locked, I can't remember the password, and now what to do. We need to power off our device first. So click power button and volume up button and click on power off. Okay, now we need to launch recovery mode. We need to hold power button and volume up button until it launches. Actually, first the fast boot menu will appear, but we need to keep holding. Okay, now using volume keys, select recovery mode and click power button to confirm. Alright, we need to wait a little bit. Alright, now click on clear data, click on clear all data, click on OK. Now the process has started. It shouldn't take long, so don't worry. Alright, all data cleared. Click on return, go back. Now select restart, click on OK. And now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. The next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.